Today, we will talk about how to start a towing business. Let's have a look at the details. If you're ready to learn how to start a business that is focused on cruising the roads, helping drivers in their time of need, and handling automobiles, then you might be ready to start a tow truck business. Right now is the perfect time to join the tow truck industry. The automobile towing industry brought in $8 billion in revenue in 2020. This whopping figure proves that starting a towing business is possible and profitable, even in 2021. If you're ready to learn more, watch the video on how to start a tow truck business. The first step is to create a business plan. A clear plan is essential for success as an entrepreneur. It will help you map out the specifics of your business and discover some unknowns. A few important topics to consider are: what are the startup and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much can you charge customers? What will you name your business? Luckily, we have done a lot of this research for you. What are the costs involved in opening a towing company? The startup costs associated with opening a tow truck business are substantial, mainly because business owners must purchase a tow truck. Truck Paper lists tow trucks that are for sale, and they often sell for between $10,000 and $50,000. Licensing fees are another major startup expense. A business must also purchase insurance. The first month's premium may be a few $100s. What are the ongoing expenses for a towing company? The fixed ongoing expenses for a tow truck business include any licensing fees that must be renewed and insurance premiums. Variable costs include employee salaries, truck depreciation and repairs, and fuel. Who is the target market? Tow truck businesses receive calls from multiple outlets. Police departments, other municipal departments, individuals, motor clubs, repair shops, auto auction companies, and property owners may all call a tow truck to move vehicles. How does a towing company make money? A tow truck business makes money by charging customers for tows. A typical charge will include a flat fee for the tow, a mileage fee, and a storage fee. How much can you charge customers? Tow truck businesses charge an average of $120 per tow, including both a flat fee and mileage charge. It's also standard practice to charge a daily storage fee for any vehicles that are stored on the company's property. The average storage fee is $20 per day. How much profit can a towing company make? The average tow truck business owner makes between $30,000 and $40,000 annually. The exact amount varies depending on the region that a business is in. How can you make your business more profitable? A tow truck business can diversify and increase its revenue by offering emergency roadside assistance. This usually includes providing emergency fuel deliveries, changing flat tires, offering jumpstart, and similar services. What will you name your business? Choosing the right name is important and challenging. If you operate a sole proprietorship, you might want to operate under a business name other than your own name. The second step is to form a legal entity. The most common business structure types are the sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LLC or corporation protects you from being held personally liable if your towing company is issued. You can start an LLC yourself and pay only the minimal state LLC costs or hire one of the best LLC services for a small, additional fee. You will need to select a registered agent for your LLC. LLC formation packages usually include a free year of registered agent services. You can choose to hire a registered agent or act as your own. The third step is to register for taxes. You will need to register for a variety of state and federal taxes before you can open for business. In order to register for taxes, you will need to apply for an EIN. It's really easy and free. You can acquire your EIN for free through the IRS website, via fax, or by mail. Depending on which business structure you choose, you might have different options for how your business will be taxed. For example, some LLCs could benefit from being taxed as an S corporation. There are specific state taxes that might apply to your business. The fourth step is to open a business bank account and credit card. Using dedicated business banking and credit accounts is essential for personal asset protection. When your personal and business accounts are mixed, your personal assets, your home, car, and other valuables, are at risk in the event your business is sued. In business law, this is referred to as piercing your corporate veil. Open a business bank account. This separates your personal assets from your company's assets, which is necessary for personal asset protection. It also makes accounting and tax filing easier. The fifth step is to set up business accounting. Recording your various expenses and sources of income is critical to understanding the financial performance of your business. Keeping accurate and detailed accounts also greatly simplifies your annual tax filing. The sixth step is to Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Failure to acquire necessary permits and licenses can result in hefty fines, or even cause your business to be shut down. State and local business licensing requirements. Licensing is normally required to operate a towing service. Most states require tow trucks to have 3 types of permits. Indictment management, which is required for a tow truck to perform a non-consent tow initiated by a law enforcement officer. Private property, which is required for a tow truck, is used to perform a non-consent tow authorized by a parking facility owner. Consent tows, which is required for a tow truck used to perform a consent tow authorized by the owner. Oversized vehicle permits. Some states, including Michigan, require a towing business to obtain an oversized/overweight vehicle permit for its tow trucks, sometimes also referred to as wreckers. Class B driver licensing requirements. In most states, licenses are issued by classes, operating according to the weight of the vehicle being driven. Drivers of standard cars and trucks require a Class A commercial driver's license, CDL, while operators of heavier vehicles, including most tow trucks, require a Class B CDL to operate. Certificate of occupancy. A tow truck business is always run out of a physical location. Businesses operating out of a physical location typically require a certificate of occupancy, CO. A CO confirms that all building codes, zoning laws, and government regulations have been met. The 7th step is to get business insurance. Just as with licenses and permits, your business needs insurance in order to operate safely and lawfully. Business insurance protects your company's financial well-being in the event of a covered loss. There are several types of insurance policies created for different types of businesses with different risks. If you're unsure of the types of risks that your business may face, begin with general liability insurance. This is the most common coverage that small businesses need, so it's a great place to start for your business. Another notable insurance policy that many businesses need is workers' compensation insurance. If your business will have employees, it's a good chance that your state will require you to carry workers' compensation coverage. The 8th step is to define your brand. Your brand is what your company stands for, as well as how your business is perceived by the public. A strong brand will help your business stand out from competitors. Every tow truck business should have an online presence so that individuals who need a tow can find the business. Tow truck companies shouldn't completely ignore marketing channels like social media, but they're usually wiser to direct most resources towards local search engine optimization, SEO. Individuals are more likely to use a search engine to find a nearby towing service when they need one than they are to engage with one on Facebook or Twitter. Many tow truck businesses also seek out contracts with cities and towns, repair shops, apartment complexes, and similar businesses. These contracts provide a more stable income stream than marketing towards individuals do. A tow truck can compete with other towing services by having fast response times. Individuals often want their vehicles towed quickly when they break down, and property owners want improperly parked cars removed from their property as quickly as possible. Providing speedy service keeps these customers happy. When contracting with municipalities and police departments, speed of service can be the difference between getting a call and not. The 9th step is to create your business website. After defining your brand and creating your logo, the next step is to create a website for your business. Here are the main reasons why you shouldn't delay building your website. All legitimate businesses have websites. The size or industry of your business does not matter when it comes to getting your business online. Social media accounts like Facebook pages or LinkedIn business profiles are not a replacement for a business website that you own. The 10th step is to set up your business phone system. Getting a phone set up for your business is one of the best ways to help keep your personal life and business life separate and private. That's not the only benefit. It also helps you make your business more automated, gives your business legitimacy, and makes it easier for potential customers to find and contact you. There are many services available to entrepreneurs who want to set up a business phone system. There are some frequently asked questions. We will now try to answer some of those. What happens during a typical day at a towing company? A tow truck business owner spends most of his/her day driving to broken down, stranded and improperly parked vehicles, hooking them up to the tow truck, transporting them to another location, and unhooking them from the tow truck. This work is almost entirely done outside, and the work must be done regardless of the weather. What are some skills and experiences that will help you build a successful towing company? A tow truck business owner must know how to, and be legally licensed to, operate a tow truck. In most states, tow truck drivers need a Class B license. A Class B license usually allows drivers to operate a vehicle weighing more than 26,000 pounds or a vehicle that is towing another vehicle that weighs 10,000 pounds or less. What is the growth potential for a towing company? Most tow truck businesses serve a single geographic region. In large metropolitan areas, they may only serve the city, or even just part of the city. In less populated areas, they may cover more territory, but they're usually still limited to one region. A few companies advertise nationwide towing services. These companies, however, usually accept calls for tows but contract with local towing companies to actually tow vehicles. They effectively provide a referral service, for a fee. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.